bwili okubwatya tugwenera tikuligirirwa n'abaana ensi y'emyaka 13 igo nuganetye obusemya bwa Baibuli.
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Uya kigima mwancho muligara lijida ni komine ya mochi etire igoro yechinsa ikomine brechia abono mambia litukeliga lia icho machitaliki isano na mochi mutinyo komine kabere omwaka bwechirubere na merongo ebere nene 2024 na nechinga ki toko hatusemere soko semele kwa ngolinga kwa bukiru ya andonsi asir alisole garota to cha kamero bali au yalitukeliga lia lero ya ijuma netwani ya getembe inje nigongoro ku haroni ototo nyangiri otoko kusanga mangeli tukulia lero arna kwaliganirie ase etwani ya getembe ase kuwa monoto kuchukonyara gabato kuligalia chisegi chiri chigenderte igoro ya JPV gose okorwania chisegi chigenga gose kurunga war against gender based violence ase activism mwegenderte gose abarwane nabagereri bali bagenda to segeta okorwane gwano gusirigwa gwa gender based violence bagenda tenemerwe chitsemo imensi ya Kenya unenjira ya moyo kwa kinga chisegi chichenya kwa chigo keana na gusira kegima kolende se ogochakera tugukonyerwa engelinga unerengwana tojo kwanera ase chinsa chire mutu kera bagani bagochikuba ime studio tunyara kwa tokuligereri igoro ya kubwa mono okobara amo na okomana kuri abagokorerwa abantu bagatamna intersex ase munachinjira chukugani ko babeka senseme gose ensemende kolinde litangan kegima ali tukoli goro nigo omu governor we county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati nyataka bagabikira na bosio bwe senate ime yomucho Nairobi kubo mono ekamati heliye koligalia na kunengia botumiki bwechi pesa ase chi county asanya tukaba agakorwa ebirangara byaye igoro yamaboli aho kuba mono yo botumiki bwechi pesa ase county ya Kisii omwaka o 2021-2022 na 2022-2023 kolende egekalekyo tigechieti goikirania eganga yayo kukwanira igoro yenganeyo kuba mono ebirangara byanya tukaba bigocha ebinge ase bono senate gose kamati yegwetera somo nyakerogoye oyibo igoro oma senator bwe county ya Mapei omoske Moses Kajwangi anyata kabaka korolia buna niko baraji kwaligania omugavana bwe county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati ase ebikaro mungabune ebyo edina banyago chikoba bakoligerelia orobote oruo namaboli abu alialengete county ya Kisii ase chinjira cho woikerano enyorenga konya niko omugavana bwe county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simbarati amo chire goikabosio bwe senate ase chintunde ibere egento kierete aba senator bugweterese kamati eyo koimuki getambukiro na goteba buna onyetare gochikoikirana litukuligoro ilo nigo bango chikomukia ebitambukiro winde ebinga tugali egati yalia aina gatigwe ime ya senate kuba mono bosio we kamati eyo.
From what the document is saying, should we believe the document or the governor's oral presentation?
Chairman, that's my signature and that's the document I believe is very...
Is what this document saying correct?
I believe so, Chair.
My friend, is what this document saying correct?
Yes, Chair.
Governor, you may want to retract because the subject matter specialist has a different version from what you are giving the committee.
Chairman, given that he just signed, the people who submitted the documents, they're here. And I want to confirm because they have been. And I'm happy that you're bringing up that document. Mr. Nyandanyi, when did you submit the documents?
With evidence.
And who is Mr. Nyandanyi?
The head of accounts. Through my governor. We usually submit by 30th of September.
Usually.
But we don't have the evidence here with us because we didn't know.
Then what you're saying is not useful. Governor, proceed.
Chairman, number two.
You said there were three things. I'm still allowing you to, but remember our 10 minutes is spent.
Number two, Chairman. Number two, the fact that we brought in the documents and we submitted to the committee. Chair, we were ready to continue with the report, as it were. But Chairman, again, the fact that there was that ruling is what we were taking precaution of, so that we don't offend the Constitution as it were, and it has been cleared by the courts. Tomorrow we don't find ourselves as a county, at the Senate. Always I'm ready, Mr. Chairman, as I've said. Only a precautionary, we were taking caution.
Governor, are you ready? Are you ready to proceed?
I'm ready, Chairman.
Are you still maintaining your preliminary objection?
I am, because, Chairman, I believe if the Constitution is being abused.
You can't have it both ways. You are either holding on to objection, or you are saying you have abandoned it and we can proceed. Vice Chair.
My brother, Governor Arati, and I used to normally play for you when we were taking lunch that you become the governor of Kisii. And I hope you remember those prayers. They are powerful, that's why you are governor. Mr. Arati, Your Excellency, you are with us in Parliament. There are decisions that the courts would make. But we used to tell courts, I can even give you an answer, where you are telling off courts that they cannot interfere with the work of Parliament. So you are before Parliament, which you protected for 10 years as a member of Parliament. Now you are telling us, we can't proceed because some judge somewhere has decided to issue some orders. Yet I thought the important part through the chair is accounting for the taxpayers' money, regardless of any other decision, because I thought you wanted the people of Kisii to know today how the money we dispense to can be accounted for. So, Governor, you should choose the way. Either we proceed or you sustain your objection, then the committee can make a decision, and we also save your time and save our time, because we know you need to be in Kisii also discharging your duties as the governor. So, Chair,
and as senators, we need to be in the chamber to approve money that is going to counties.
It's cash disbursement today in the afternoon.
Which we have done faithfully. When it comes to disbursing money to counties, these senators have done it faithfully.
Yes.
When it comes to oversighting errant officials, including your deputy governor, this Senate has done it faithfully. When it comes to accounting for expenditure, the governor carries a smart lawyer without all the facts to try to sabotage this important exercise. Governor, those are our three very important roles. Yes. Allocate money to counties, we have done it faithfully. To oversight, we have done it faithfully, including an impeachment in Kisii. Why is oversight of finances becoming a problem?
And even we have defeated a presidential memorandum.
Yesterday we got 2/3.
380 billion.
We raised 2/3 of the vote of Senate.
And we raised 7 billion. We defeated a presidential memorandum.
Why is it that when it comes to accounting, you come with a battalion of lawyers?
Chairman, let me say I didn't come with battalions of lawyers. I have only one lawyer here with me.
I think you came with your legal advisor as backup, as a substitute. Just a minute, Governor. Senator Mariam, and then Senator Gattai.
Chair, when Governor is explaining about the financial, he said an accountant just signed. So maybe they are not owning the report. Are you satisfied with the content of the report? If you are saying just sign the report on this, you have to maybe paraphrase that. This objection of yours, it is only one thing. Is either you have to withdraw so that we can continue, or you make it firm there so that we can make decision.
Na mwanchu muligereri abamenyi bechinzemo chiabo nyamatuta egotoka gose bijenya bara ibere chinzemo imeye ward ya nyamatuta egotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira nikwanya ko baba gwesokia na kwemunukaria komentekana kubusalia chinze mecho kwa mono asibanyalde ko bako teba buna otumeki bo muliogo yogotindia nigo bo mentekanire okukwanya ko ba ukwirira komentekana kubusalia chinze mecho asabe go banyalde ko baba kubulia gosba kwemunukaria okubora gwechinguru cyomuriro gose obora bwa chinze mecho unagotumanya umurigito Polycarp Okara.
Abamenyi abaiga gukwana negetasine kiga kyagatembe nigo besokire na kwemurunganiria kubwatikana muno musunto mutindi oyokorolekana stinsemeje igane ne chinga gichemagoroba igintu kyabereke gosekenene gocyase abonchureria
twabeire togosumbuka ese echiro ito ya nyapara ibere borabumboyo abamuramo isonde mbabwata bakaure customer ito mena isengenjo yo borabu security ne toborete eta itu achire gotebi gavana tari tanya goto igubirero bieito ne pare gochiko chikenyoro nero security ne boreta abamura bagotega bangene igo babaure chindagera chiabo
negento babwataniria muno botumeki bwa mariogo yogotindia aywerera abange kwebwatania muno bosalio boiga obwo bwirera kwibwa nonya nechisola echio chiarekoreto burabu obwo burasirio bosalio boiga nane chinga kicha botuko
aiganya baraibere etayanja arengo abantu baito n'abatayi babera babe batete bakarusio burabu wana nocanya baraibere onabo gukuminga n'ingorwaswa wana ale wancha bagambe baito wana wambe baito be county no nyokora mbali boronga semeremo bache bakonyo burabu banya baraibera
ona are kubasabira bechoke gekwera mangana nabone kero monta kunywa marwa eyitiri teaspoon gekwera marwa no isako ya nyumono igagwa itasingi yomubere singi nere kogera onyware no eno mwana bono kogenda ase mukao kwa charoka gochyobo saigo otari gokora kinde no beka bire igo bono gotiga amaruoro amaruto betereirio yanyu igo kujatiga gekogera abantu aba bakwenga amarwa ibatagetegesa kugiito nkeboro ndutagete naino monyoro bogimubuya monyore ribaga mosomia abana baino ekero mwasomiri abana bari monyorete basome buya naino ekero mogochiko babagaka imokonyore ninu bagocha gokonya
igo baichanire nchira magendero korwa soro kongoro igagendere ko bakakogenda maega asibabaganiria baraikorwa se county ya Nyamira obwatana na bune nchira ya moyo kubaenekeria magendere gento kiragendere ko bagekubakinia kirarituko
twalerire mono abantu baito banyapara ibere twasumbokire nonye nechire story chiro teyo gesare getere mbembe
ekene twabeire noborobo nene ase county ito ya Nyamira ekiagero nyore ndito bire buya otangono ne pare tugukwana guchieke nyurumata asa abana baito bakogende skuru
no wari ba gosena no mine jibara njire seita digel go no go jie kanyoro matega anen okay program ne yalenge muna ga to iga yango cha kurwa mune account ko cha kurwa yalenge mangana ya jamulde ya bwa tega jenju ko sa ure pare taro si jimata mono mo ko to ko mo ngo be ko jimata ga ri ka jire ka mata chika kitani ko ke sukuru mata nkibara ro seri nkibara ro seri bara ro seri ti ya basket buya kayo monta ko ko ta ko basket mata kisukuru kire matega chikanisa kire mata kitundu bali magendero kiale bonoga
nonyina boni gabantu basegetire kweneke gokora emirimo yabo amo nomukya elyo kwebwatokania mo nebikora byoboseria ebyo bikoirera kuturutumba amagimabo nasibalia bataranyomo nigege kurege tindiki arurwe na koboligwa kweneke gokorabo ngonya tali bomba chikoligerigwa abanchi babo
abantu bale batanire miago mundo konyora bwata 45 lakini tabwati mukungu nale gusaba abantu antu achake campaign abantu bale batanyomete baleta abakungu ntorwete libaga nyemba likoleta bakoleta rwego garangiri ntoja gwancha ekenyora abantu babe bosega batanyomete nabo bagochanda bayiboli nabo bagoturwa bayiboli botuko banyore ndagera n'abantu aba baisene konyoma
ngoripoteri getaseni kya ubwanchite kya gatembe kurugige igasti nseme chika chanya barebere meye bunga ya West Mugrange County ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
na mwanjumo ligalia habara ni gaba boligwe gotigana etiamano ya siasa na kwanekelia abakenya amagendero asinsemo naya nigakwantu amo negati ya bananchi korwa ebunge ya boma choge burabu abo banyate koba bakurwa ebirengereri byabo chinga kibale okwanamo negetasani kyagetembe nabo igo nigo abamenye banyate koba bakwemurunganiria mono na komochia ebitambukiro by'abana siasa kugerana as chinsemo chia matanga
yegoika omuntu okora gikikura ari gikikura kya 2027 bono njiraika oyo regetiga gosikwa amasikani abororo togo cha matanga je kora omuntu kwacha no bochabu bwa ase matanga kamoranja abantu baminto abaguzi ase mwabeta mwaena na masikani ishime bororo asokero omuntu agotindekwa engaki ya egera gotindekwa mo baise konya korenta mangana ari mo korenta buna ria bwasi ntonya tageti insanse ito machoge intu buna abantu ba machoge koramana ntoko tageti basike gabana eya Bunyamira ne ya Kisii County babotonya bamomanyi bachamo tosaboti omuntu okoro kumatiangi tobegente kamtaria muraba agenda bagong'aina bagikorigie bokima kurese president rogoro bolimo okobang'aina abantu bari baminyoka boka mbararangere abantu bakorokwa abagusiye se babeta bonse abagima abagikogerie ndagera kamboranje mong'ainwa bari nenda bagikorigie se president kabamo tugeta ekero tokogenda korigie ekero toenda abantu tari bari baminyoka babosoro gochirogorari kong'aina abantu ng'abachira ororo ng'ana bwosoro nere eboxan koruseto gusi kimna kirikia beto basi igari amang'ana estonya barenge babongwaye abantu bonse babomoima egento taete korora gusi matanga yo muntu asikwe bunasira asikwa nero korwe umuyego yo muyamono paka bwaira ndotageti omuntu okorwa asakorwa omanya goja no bochinga bwa sakora amabante asa matanga
ina kolete siasa mwana siasa na arenge na politika rokyo kansora 207 but today again don korra kera se ense moyo brai anene Kenya ngi maragindi yangwanere gusi enjere riba kale kotegana na gojukunya kurwanira sa matanga ina ere enjere yamo yo gwekora na kwerusia soborai tojuko jora baraya bangao tuntu ancheraneti karogo chese omugutano ojije korobere tichibesa ojikurwanya omuntu ndasa mugutano igogo cho ni opinion chao chikoni gose chigoite ase igo asabarai bare kusiboni iga igo bakorolekana ngabakurwana boka banyene ese moyo kobamo kwabagusi je nale goteba ngaki igere opinion yabagusi eyo abarai bari gusi batarayanjirana ko yebekamo ndwe twale ko batebinga ko bakwabamo ogocha kwabamo banguse abarai bons bagusi babole tuchikura abale ne biam babalete bakaba matian babalete ammo egere bachiko ikaransa batoma ko nyora nga muntu ki oiseine tora akekeranya ora tenenero gusi
esenga ke yabono igata tabo mugusio oyo moto taketia bagusi babaganire kabere baikira bono bachire timu 1 timu 2 nde binto taketia mugusi toka ndege ntekamo obomo bo mugusi bosikwe tochamo tobege ntekamo ndo base kominyoka gochimara tominyoka gochimoina kamoranje omugusi omogimeze kwabeta omozueta tobamo pamoja
abana ale kotebanga sesema ya tibasa likorwa gwate mete korubuya asikibesa nasi bara ngwatire mete ase ebibindi bitarahera byonsi tosemera tinga no baisiko chikobikora ase amatukande igo ase nsema ya basari nko igutorenga nete gete gosieku eira nego ji ase mokale goteba gojira kina tokoteba ne basari era nasa mabako ya ba MC na bachumbe ego na litora ikere bali torense entere ye basari yo chikogenda ase count abon semera tinga abantu bonsi mbako ende count tinga ne basari bachikoligi igo basari nanje naona ale kobetereri nga ase nsema ye basari tira nasa mabako ya bachumbe na ba MC
Nabo mwanju muligeli obotuki nigo bwarokire buna enamba yebikole bigukururwa kwa bana abake nigo bagenda tukina ime sub county ya Kenya ebunge ya machoge burabu na kolengana mo nomo bisamwa nebwa bana sub county yo Samuel Uganda nigo abayiboli bakwegerera abasalia bali bakobwatirinwa amo nebikole byo nabo igo nigo goitera aso okomentekana okwo Uganda nigane kiribuna okobwatana no kuyengole gati yebyombe bya serikali na yani gachire ekarosegi egenderete gosantegenderete na okurwana wesegi minja yechisegi chigenga gosachenda preference ase yanyalika bage kogendera gorwania goseko kwanera na kurwa ekurate igoro ya chisegi chigenga ase chinsemo asamatuko 15 amo ayo maika 16 days of gender based violence activism munoro watiro gochasembea
okonyora nga development yabeire gekobe nyingake sense moyito ya Kenya ase nginjo okonyora abantu abanene bago divide abana okonyora nga mbamanyiti nonde gwesura atoke ga gusali omwana nona abayibuli babeire ababe abande bagusali abana babo abana bamwe aboboka basarani abayibuli asa abayibuli ebintu bingabu nebiti biribiya asama gimaito so far twairira abantange 10 kuri umwaka oyo chaka 14 n'abange basibiru n'oyo sibiru emyaka eremeke o 25 igo kwelimisa abayibuli banjane ne family yabo batige gukora ebikore ebi by'obutibongi batige kurwana kisege nyumba babangi nemerembe nabangina nabarabuti balinze nabaruba bakaka emerembe bayigwanane bayerekezane nali barakora liborobuye kucyasa abana babo ekere bikesi bune bigo konyora bigocha ngucyore twakora center session gose barasa twayerekeza abantu buna bono twakoreta bawachiri tembo tugakora magenje tugakora mukubo nabo tukuna kubwaterana n'aba chief n'aba assistant chief egara torero gose bikore biga mbike ya sense moyito ya Kenya no mudisisio ito nere bona peti nere noare natungete mukono no speed ito ngubwaterana tuli na barabu bons na police asiji station chito chire gwitini bumachoge borabu twabwaterana torero sento konye bikore biga byobusali unabona ubutibongi ubu
na boigo kiumbe gia Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy IKEA goseikia bagwatana amo na Kerigia International Solidarity Foundation litukuliga roni gabarute amoro kelia wojia ase abaralina bariki bamangana ase county ya Kisii kubomono igoro yukulika na gukora kiroboti kirigwatana nti abantu abo makantamna Intersex na yega ndigakorgante ime yumo boganimo ime yomochi obosongo unagutumanya mulikito Daniel Ontere
asogochengera amutwe 15 nelimo yogochengera oboneria bwichinginjo ao nogosarwa kumwana moiseke litukulia lero ekeombe ye Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy IKEA nigo kialigania igikaro gyokoena na migilio asabali kyamangana kurwa sorogongo rwagusi bakubwaterana nebyombe binde hegati yabo kiria ge International Solidarity Foundation ISF asomoiga okoleka somo bugani yomo ime yomo chobosongo asekiribuna hegetaseni kyagetembe nigo kegendere ko ba asomo stali obosyo koena na abaralia babo konyora megelio obuna egam litukulia lero moralia erekabuga na Abigail Nyachama negati yabalia abanyora megelio kurwa sigetaseni kegam asabatenelia baiga abaina na megelio namono igoro yokolenda abana kurwa soboniria au namono walia bobwate chinsemo ibere choro ibiro kubanja na koendera kubaikanga semero belio au lina brobo beigwe kuba abantu kawaida na kubatanga kurwa soboniria wichingencho au
torega gegera barali baitu bamanye na Intersex person simbarororo na inde mbata gito bwene bwa base community abana bambarororo abayiguri bagenda gucandika na inde kera baradi baitu mura tware na mumanyite ke information yubunere ego chiko baraisi no nyandi dio montago kwa na se community atamayitingi ya ukwana eko baraisi asemore ko mataina yaya igenteke geko baigana
ukwana chenga kecho abatenere abaigani go batayabuna murubiri igani go gendere go kora buyam na baradi ani go bwate libagalina asoko gendera korandia igoro yengane iga.
Tukikuwa hapa siku ya leo, furaha yangu kubwa kwamba pia tunahusisha wanahabari ambao ni nguzo muhimu katika jamii, kueneza ujumbe katika jamii zetu za Kisii na Nyamira.
Asense mwende abaria abanyora megeriega chingaki basanga nigetaseni kyagetembe bago kerege tambo kerekega na kolira gocha kubwaterana nibyombe biga asamangana Intersex Kenya Education and Advocacy IKEA
wasomye tubende ko raria mangana yamanyi gocha se community ya Gusii to obomboli borogi kenege nto monta ko na karokyo nande igo toko sabanga bali abali bagwata abana bunabo baya bakubana buna bana banda bonse nande buna episode bya Gusii ndukenya tokonya chigrupu ekikola lya mangana aya eri tonyora ngabana abayibo yonzereye ngo tubali bakine buna abana bande bonse
yatukonyere tonya ko batukumanyanga abana abantu buna abana bande bonse no mwana buna mwana onde bwensi nabo igotonya ko batukumanyanga tiga abana abatige ko bastigmatize disco gali tiga abayiboli babasokia so bonge na intuna barali tonya ko batukumanyanga buna tubwante ko report nabo igo buna tubwante ko batukuba identify nabo igo buna tubwante ko baira ase society yetu gaiga
buna tuachichaiga abaralia nechi reporter tiakorugusia tiasomera mangana mange sana igoro yoko report encherengia ye story ya abantu bari intersex
ngurubudrege sani kya gatembe kuroiga se county ya Kisii litrene nguru ku Daniel Untiri
na umuwasiri w'ekisemi musike Julius Migosi ogamba niganyaka bakwaniki abuna chisukuru gosamulemo n'ekindemero cy'isukuru nigo kigwente kolendwa naiga nigagocha magiga ya ebikole kwaniki wasichinzemo ao asegeka muna amalemayo nigagente goetira awo tutukanu gosyo komererigwa no kurwanerwa na yande nigo ntachinde anyarikaba gagosira gose gakoibwa gose gakurumwa amo nabantu batamanyikanete.
And you know, ladies and gentlemen, land does not grow, but the population continues growing. This school was set up in 1947, but we are here in 2024 utilizing it, and our children are using the school continuously. If we grab this land, or if the people had come before us had grabbed that land, or this particular land, where would these students be? So it is our responsibility, and I'm encouraging all our education directors in all the counties in the country to undertake an audit to ensure that each and every institution, the land is protected and we get the title deeds for it. Where they are not, we will work with the Ministry of Lands to ensure that all our institutions, not just educational institutions, but all our government institutions, get their titles so that we can protect our land for the future. And I want to put on notice those people who think that land belonging to institutions is available for encroachment or grabbing. Please start exiting, because we will ensure with the government team, with the government machinery, that we take back the land that belongs to the institutions.
We are working together with the multi-agency teams, our partners, to make sure we fast-track the processes. And we want to trust with the innovative and processes being put in place, all our learners will transit to grade 9. We also want to thank you, sir, for the textbooks. Our schools are receiving textbooks for grade 9. Majority have received, and the distribution is still going on. We want to thank you, sir, for honoring us. This school was our biggest headache because we were wondering where were we going to place 587 children in grade 9. But we want to thank the government of Kenya for coming in handy to support us with this. Building 12 classrooms, sir, is not a mean thing. It's over 12 million shillings. We don't know where we could have got.
Na omo speaker wa Senate musike Amason Jeva Kingi yiboyiko kabere umugavana gwe county ya Kilifi nigo aboliri abarai ahona bamenye bonsi be county ya Kilifi kubwatrana na kwanikia buna county yungo kinere ase ebirengo bibwanarata.
That is tourism, agriculture and blue economy are deeply climate sensitive. The conservation of mangroves, marine biodiversity and promotion of renewable energy are not just priorities, they are necessities in this county. As investors, you have the opportunity to align your ventures with sustainable practices that benefit both your businesses and the planet. Imagine Kilifi as a leader in clean energy, a champion of climate action, and a hub of green investments. That future is not far off. It starts here today with all of us. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, this is our moment. Kilifi has rolled out the red carpet. The governor has rolled out the red carpet for you to explore, engage, and invest. Let us seize this opportunity to build partnerships and accelerate economic growth, create jobs, and uplift communities. Let us make Kilifi a shining example of what is possible when vision meets action and when investments are driven by purpose. I call upon Kilifi's leadership to demonstrate its commitment to addressing bottlenecks and creating a seamless experience for investors and align its policies to global best practices. I also urge you to use every opportunity to nurture partnerships between government and investors, between communities and businesses, and between vision and action. As Speaker of the Senate, I assure you of our unwavering support. Governor, you have our unqualified support as a Senate. The Senate stands as a partner, an ally, and an advocate for investments and transform lives and drive Kenya's progress going forward. In closing, I invite you to dream big with Kilifi. Explore the possibilities, connect with the people, and be part of the story of transformation that we are writing today. And just like it has been put as a practice, you must end with Swahili. Mimi nataka niseme hivi nikimalizia. Wahenga wanasema ukitaka kuitwa babu, lazima ukubali msichana wako aolewe.
Mwenjumo ligerali yo na area agente kwa nekiwa kusane kwa tuchintsemo au ase ime na isiko ya gusi litukoligoro na nigo na tiego kumenya kurwa u chins kaki karatwa chakabna nigo tugo chikonyara kwa tugo kwana igoro ya bantu babanye kadona intersex next challenge au bagwetera na igo nigo tugo chikonyara kwa tugo bwatera na amo nabagani bali bago chikonyara kwa so studio sekekere motu kolende nigo tugo na motu mokomo kego tugo na tulgari ajaire baga asa chiga seti au nabo igo ajaire libaga asa nyomba choborali au elinde kurwabo tumanye koranga ningie kobwati tosuka ochiare
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Geni uhuru maine otire kuma
Etukayo womo ya Uhuru Superstores Igego toke milunu chobo songo Igekonya ebintu au aseli kulidigo kwa na nomobuko Nkonya bale ebintu byobuwaga chibuna bono Amabati kuruwa siche company au Emesumali yechingenjo chionsi Chichuma chobuwaga chichingenjo chionsi Chiwaya abuna bono binding wires Chiwilibaro Chisimiti chobuwaga chikuruwa siche company au Egati ebintu binde vinge byobuwaga chi Mwigo mbabwa boards muna chiricha MDF Egati ebintu binde vinge Asinse muje bintu bya nyumba Nkonya bale chi mattress chechingenjo chonse nabige chire cheche size au Mbabwata chitangi cheche size au Nkonya bale boigo ebintu byokulya Buna bono amabuta yechingeni kurwa seche company au Amasi ya mandasi kurwa seche company au Aya yokoruga chichumbi chisukali Egati ebintu binde byobotumeki Uhuru Superstores Igababwa tobo korelyo buya Chingatoko bule bintu asetukeye Mbabwate customer care Ebyego sega segera chi customer buya Chingaki bakogora ebintu Igabo babwata chigari Echo chigokora obusombi busapi Chingaki kwagulire ebintu biga Uchande onsi alias Sorabe Igobago toka ime yo muchobo songo Ase nyumba ya JM Towers Angene duka ya Safaricom Ime yo muchokisi Asamange Bakere simigwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Gose 0111116150 Gose wetera senembele 0111161502 Uhuru Superstores The People's Choice Guaranteed Lowest Prices Karibu nyumbani
Amone jisimiti Amona mabaki
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Christa Marian Mission Hospital ni gĩũkorerera ba mentire obokoreri bwae na koba ubuya kigima
asa Marieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyaktari korwa se nyaktari ya basista ya Christa Marian bono nyaktari ya Christa Marian ngoro yere muroberi oribo korikia bantu oswa sha ntori gwakania kwerikia sware rinde lyonsi oratware na botogo konya
bono mbabwate CT scan na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU.
Jumatatu ndobwate kliniki kia bantu balibe lisangu ekoro kwa dermatology clinic na psychiatric clinic asa bantu balibe bwato burwire bwa bongo. Jumaine ndobwate kliniki keriki abana gekoro ku pediatric clinic na clinic ya bangina gekoro ku gynecology clinic.
Mbabwate ensema ya dialysis eyo yekerero use the latest ensema ya laboratory.
Jumatano ndobwate kliniki keriki ya surgery asibali bako barwa bado Jumatano yintobwate clinic ya bangina naba roere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babunekire babekire chichuma koro kwa orthopedic clinic. Aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient koro kwa MOPC elia maroere mono mna sukari, pressure, malaria eyokoba Aramisi.
Tibweba Christa Marian nebwate ambulance asaba konyi bwa emergency uswango
asaba roere bali barware te chinyiko ntobwate clinic kera ukigeo korwa kira omotienyo sita aso mwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo gatatu onye yabanja no twakora gatokora match ende twakora omotienyo sita oyondo omotienyo tisa aso mwaka clinic chia maino ntobwate pake ward yabana bake bali banyorero lakini rene matuko abo taraika
patarere ase omuchibo songo asamatabekani amashauri ase para ekotira korwa kisi kogenda chitangio sikima bondo
boigon tobwate ensemo ikoro ku maternity ine ensemo yabangina bali banyorera abana bose bago chikonyora abana asa abantu bali babwate megonge ko baroma bali kiru n'abanyagitari bachikokorerwa masoezi tobwate chi specialist nyagitari to chikoro ku physiotherapist tobwate ensemo ya theater ebwate bintu ebinge nabariganiri ase nyagitari yeito ya Christa Marian ni nyagitari yomogusi na hinde takobwa magana yerigori incho toikaranse tokwane toigwane tokonya
asamange bakirisimu ya senamba 0720266999 gose 0791394904. Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Getembe Prime Distributors gubao kumanya bunabono iga mbabwate ebintu by'obwagachi aho bunabono chichuma cy'obwagachi chichi company chonse chibirengo byonse chibi PC type chonse chisimiti mbabwate bunabono Rhino na Bambure mbabwate chain link type chonse boigo mbabwate ebintu by'echi bathroom gose bathroom accessories bunabono chi soap dish chi shower chi toilets ne chi toilet tap mbabwate chi tile ao chi chikara ao ne birengo ao mbabwate chi marble chi color ao mbabwate chi tire gose lightings chi type chonse mbabwate chi lock chi birengo ne chi type ao mbabwate merangwa ye chi size ne chi type ao mbabwate chi sink chionse pe boigo mbabwate amabati chibod ao buna MDF na gypsum boards. Mbabwate chirangi kora crown paints na dura paints. Boigo mbabwate machine ilia ekuburukania yakwa irangi iliyotagete. Mbabwate chi machine ao buna bono chi power saw, chi blower, chi sakila saw. Mbabwate chi helmet na boigo ebikoro tubiri by'uburendi gose safety shoes. Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0717-603-030 0790-904-844. Incho Getembe Prime Distributors bwenyorere ebintebiga aserigulirigi. Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. One-on-one security services igotore namba eyemo ase ukurwa obokoreri bubulindi bwigormono ase egeka nubumanyi bw'imyaka 53 bono yaerire nigotukurwa chinsemo ao chobulindi buna static guarding services, CCTV installation and monitoring, real-time GPS tracking, executive close protection, security consultancy na cyber security services. Debt recovery na private installation, K9 unit solar system and installation, cash management, biometric visitors management system, emergency response solutions, wachachi alam na Voigo firefighting equipment, electric na laser wire fence. Mbabwate chinsagia au abunabona sumuchu Nairobi, Mombasa, Nakuru, Kangundo, na Voigo ase umuchie obusongo gusekise. Asamange na bogotutarera. Ground floor Bishop Magwa Center yuere ase para ya Ngong Road asumuchu Nairobi. Sotori yuko ase BO Box 39 ase kodi ya 00100 Nairobi. Ni gotubwate obumanyi bw'emyaka 10 na kugenderera. Tutarere asya bichito chire egeti kya morokera ly'uburemi ASK Showground angene geti Kigusi Stadium na Voigo angene Golf House. Twakire simi ase namba 0798884949 gose 0794440400. One-on-one security services intwe namba ya masobolindi. Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Exile Elementary School nigo egokurariria ayo mwibuli amangana mayanga nubwatelibaga yokubika umunu ase skuru egokolya byagwetana skuru ndionsi asorogongorega skuru yiga nigo egotoka ase a junction ya Nyamate para ya Mugunga kogenda Kilgoris. Skuru yiga nebwate a school band, a science lab, a computer lab, ECDE classes kukorabare obasombi kuruanga gwika esku na kuruskuru gwikanka. Mbabwate ibirasi bya sign language, mbabwate Voigo French na Voigo ase ebekire na sagia asabana bakwegerera tibwe bangambabwate junior secondary asamange bakire sima ase namba 0722768474 gosem 0100774318. Exile Elementary School no mwanu atakeire.
Welcome to Excel Comprehensive School, a school with purpose, a school with vision and on a mission. To our esteemed parents, we thank you for the support you have given us so far to this point. As the year ends, we urge all of you to be part of Excel. Come on, come on.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
HK International Medical Center ni nyagitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo eyego tumika chimashini chinkongo ansukumureka amarwire ao nagokwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigoba kubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando yichinguru cyabagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
incheno munyagitari irinike maubanye omo director bwa enyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchito bosongo na inde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo over services chekerero tugotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo koligererio mugero omugima na inde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiri byasero twaro mochanda twakwa amariogo na amariogo yaito ni gotunya ruseti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustura amariogo asense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na amariogo ande ni goto kurusia asense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura asense ya Spain na ayande ni goto kurusia asense ya California Los Angeles California in USA mariogo ande nare to kurusia somo chyo India na ayande ni goto kunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayanara mariogo akonyara gusibia omochando yikorwa somo bero na ende nonya ni gokuru mwaka 2011 twabere to kubwenia abantu abange nande ni gare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kyagera na yemete igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Let's get this party started! Hey kids, light up your festive season with StarTimes. Renew your subscription for 2 months and get upgraded to the next high bouquet for 2 months to spend more time hanging out with all your favorite cartoon friends on our amazing kiddie channel.
Pretty incredible, right?
Enjoy more adventure, more action, and more fun on Baby TV, CBeebies, Jim Jam, ST Kids, ST Tunes, Toonami, Cartoon, and Boing. Renew your subscription today and get upgraded to Jingle with the Stars.
And I like it that way.
Download the StarTimes On app to enjoy all your favorite kids shows on the go. StarTimes, enjoy digital life.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chikuya mandege
Uyakima nainde mwancho omo ligerali na nakoligana sensame ya kabire ya omorobul wetwani ya gatembe ase to kuchikoligerali ko muno alire libaga linana ase chigaseti ase mambia ya lero to kuchakane gaseti ya The Standard ase gotabanga test tough terms for 348 shut schools comply or else. Over 300 schools whose boarding facilities were shuttered for failing to meet Ministry of Education safety standards were each given a report detailing specific gaps that must be satisfied satisfactorily addressed, failure to which Cabinet Secretary James Ogamba says they will remain shut. Suguru chiricha nyantoka bachiko sieko chisukuru chimi isa naisato amerongo ne naisato nigo chia etwe amachiko amo na ebinto bibuchi bwanda gwikirani elikwana kibuna chanyalire kabachiko gendera ase okorwa oboraro kose boarding facilities kuchesa borko babo na iga tonyole nga chisukuru chini kwa chia siega tu magega yomurero gwatika se sukuru ya mo ime chinsemo chia Nyeri sukuru ya gose manyeka demuna Eastside Academy in Russia asabor kigwa emirongevire noyo mubanya tuko baba gosiria amagimabo gwetira so gwateka pomorero ase sukuru eyo igendugerete wizara ya chisemi kokora obunengi no bolingoli koligereria nga enchera kichi sukuru chiri chibwata boarding ko bomono chiechi primary chire ebirengo byechi boarding facilities ko soboraro naboigo kwemukie getambukiro na konyaranga chisukuru ejiga chimi isato emirongene na isana isato tijireikira ebirenge ebyo naboigo egwisare yugwetira so omurikyo mone bwisare yu Dr. Perry Kipsang kwemukie getambukiro na gotanga chisukuru ekyo chinyare ko bachigotiga koena na obokoleri obumanyikitemna boarding facilities na pechi egosesega seti ya standard pechi entangani boigonige okwananga development counties splash funds on salaries nga chi county ang chionzo chi county nyinge nigo chigendete gutumika chipesa chiri chikonyora kurwa sekanja gya serikali ase ogwakana mishahara kolende tichiri konyara kwa chikonekeria abakenya amagendero bunetakeire na egento kyanyara kabagego ichania abange kubwa munonga chibesa nichigo chigotumika na ase bo no ega seti mo ekwana tebuna nigo agatia bagavana bataratumika no nyene shiringi samagendero ase chi county au ime yense ya Kenya na boigo ase ega seti eyo ya standard nige ukwananga Ruto and the governors defend new medical equipment scheme nga omo oraiwense mo William Ruto nigo aigereire emirobuli ya serikali gose miroli ya bachenu alise goteba kabuna nigo serikali amo negatia bagavana gusina bagavana banyatuka bakobeke essay okoigwana wo chikorwa ebintu byo bakorera go chiase amo koleri bwa mangana maiketabuna earth ase egatia bagavana banyatuka bagasoka na gotanga nigo babetererituwe kobeka essay okoigwana okwo na igento Kenya kwagikwamererwa amo no murai wense omoske William Samoei Ruto se anyatuka gatenga umuntu bwikonza chinde uranyaka bagabetererwa saini nigo arabenga no muntu rumuriri kulinda bagafana nigo babegito kwigwana igento kyo nigo kyabayo kyabetege gosegetwa amo na ekiombe kyabagavana kama gadamna governors gose council of governors ase banyatuka bagatamna nigo kwigwana kwa lengo konya gutaraikira chinga konya itarekira nga almost gose kwigwana kwa bekiru SAE na boigo ase gaseti ejo epechi akabire nigo kwana unkept promises why doctors plan new strike nigo abanyakitali bagentene mirubili yabo yokwani kumnango genda bale omugiro bwemiremo kubwatukana ase chira chiabo chiri banyatuka bakolirwa chitaraba chigwikirana na yaiga ngwetera ase ogochika gosekerengera gosenkwana yabwatuka tumo no mulike monne byekyombe kya KMBDU Dr. David Atera yote tabuna serikali tirakirania amagani yabo na ebirengera byabo igo nigo nande barobereti wejiko genda omugiro obwemiremo ase amatuka make alibosio ase egaseti eyo nainde nero agatebanga Kona Kings Arsenal beat Manchester United egaseti eyo kwane tego ya standard gotebanga Kona FC yuma ni timu ya Arsenal niga ndako ya rabwese o cheso mweli wege bagaseti ngwero ni natole egaseti yesege ka kere mutu konde tigatwande se egaseti korukunga the People Daily niga gotabanga 10 governors with zero development. Citizens of the affected counties deprived of key projects as leaders spend cash on payment of staff allowances and current expenditure. County chiefs on the spot aba governor bado nigo bakoboli kunganga kibagutumika chiba sasa meshahara n'ebintu binde gwetania magendero na abo no chibichachia ba governor gosegatia ba governor abo komi abo bagoteba kadanga bataratumika chiba sano nyane shiringi samagendero gwetani gutumika chiba siri bakonyora ase chinse mo chimene to sese merubili manyakande buna merubili manyete mna yogwakana emeshahara na abo ase abagavana bali babekire anse egaseti ya The People Daily n'umugavana umanyite na Moses Badirisha, umugavana Onyandarwa, umugavana Jonathan B, uyu mugituna na koti moja, umugavana we county ya Uasin Gishu, umugavana Thado Godhana, uyu umugavana we county ya Tana River, ndibata umugavana Simon Kachapin, umugavana we county ya West Pokot, ndibata umugavana Wesley Rotich, uyu umugavana we Elgeyo Marakwet, ndibata umugavana umanyite na Hisati Mami, uyu umugavana we county ya Lamu, ndibata umugavana umanyite na Paul Simba Arati, umugavana we county ya Kisii, ndibata umugavana umanyite na Joseph Olelengu we county ya Kajiado, umugavana umanyite na Johnson Arthur Sakacha, umugavana we county ya Nairobi, na boigo umugavana Benjamin Jepoi, uyole umugavana we county ya Baringo. Abagavana aba bali batebekananga mbaratumika besa chiabo chiri bakonyora kurwase kiganje kanige serikali samagendero kolene nigo bagwakane mishara ne chiara wenze sine bintu binde ebingao se amagendero agende tutigara maiga ase gaseti yo ebechi gatano ya People Daily niga gatebanga gachagwa nigo arure ogochika gochia sababu watani bae gose gochisa kuba muno abantu ba Mount Kenya muna abanyare ko bagutugutirare na kubata gotabasira abajumbe bonsi bali banyate ko bagosira na gosege tokoruzi ko kwa yabisi muna mukonyi bumurai bwense gashagwa niga ukwana iga kero agendete ko enekia obo gosobo tutukarwa tukorekana ko muna semega yae asichinga kichapongo iganya tukabaga gosagano asinsemo chiale muru gose county ya Kiambu chinga ki harenge asomega wa matanga chibura buchene kwa chikane kwararo nabono nere ni gagente ko bolya buna bali bonsi banya tukaba gosege tokoruso kwa yabisi banya ko bago siria ugosirwa gosemba nyaraka bagwa geruchikura gose barusiwe abisi amo nabachumbe gose namo nabantu bechinze mu Mount Kenya nabo igo bangwe n'abantu ba Mount Kenya ase ebeje kabere gaseti yo ya The People Daily nigatanga Ruto tells of county chiefs of a medical equipment deal nelinga igatia bagafana niwanya kabagatanga niko babetere tuwe kobeka ese omukataba gosoko igwana gati yabo amona serikali enene amona wizara yobo chenu liko nyaragaba nganguru bale kosengo bwato kabale ebintu byo bakoreri gochia ase chinyagitari agos medical equipment egento murai bwense umutsike William Ruto anya kabaga gotutarara buna nigo ogwegwana kwarengo korendo nteyo beteretigwe gokora gosokwe mukigetambukero bunekyo naboigo ase egaseti emanyegete bune gaseti ya The Star nige gotebanga Nairobi and the West Pokot feature on the list by control budget Nyakango for the second time. As a Yokatanga 10 governors spent zero on development. Ne moganolio poigoiro de sega city to agora kwana ya The People ne sega city ya The Star nero no omogano yuire libaga linene ase ensemeyo na eresenya tukabage kwana egati yabagafana abo umugavana Joseph Olelengu, umugavana Sakaja, umugavana Paul Simba Arati, umugavana JP koti moja, umugavana Benjamin Jepoi, umugavana Hisati Mami, umugavana Thado Godhana na boigo umugavana umanyikutumna Hisati Mami, umugavana Simon Kachapin, Wesley Rotich, abunaba gavana bali 10 bagatabakananga bataratumika chibesa chindi chonzi bakwa kumune county ase amagendero ase county poses however plunged on other non-priority areas including travels na nigo batu sasinsemo jibatrantego ika ano gotara asinsemo wose obotali goruga magana yo gotara kurantseme ya mochese yende kolende bakanyaka baba gutiga mbatumege chibesa ase ensemo yamagendero na Business Daily naroni gotanga public servants paid tax on expense claims nga abali abakora emirimo ba serikali nigo banyariko bakuruseriwe tax gose bango ase chibasiri bagotumeka gose expense claim iyo ni gaseti ya business daily ekwanditayo na igana ronige kwantenga hours after his arrest it was clear to keen observers that Benton in due time speed for Pamburi cement takeover was doomed to fail. Igani goro yobo tutukanu aise company ya Pamburi ko bamono ase garangalia pension data ko wania ase obaerani ime ye company yo ne gaseti ya The Business Daily na tokoera na ase gaseti ya Daily Nation. The Nation nero libagalira linene gose engwa na ile libagalina linga Ruto fights back as queries mount on healthy equipment as a oko kondisi gose okonyora gose sei yoko iwana gati ya serikali yanene naboigo serikali ya county naboigo okwenanwa wa medical equipment so sebintu byotumeki bya gocheze chinza muchechinya gitali nigo gatabanga igo aba governor bakorete gosiba begitesi omoswado yugo sokwewana ukwo aba asowanja kwabo batabetereiri nonde bwensi na nigo tanga the Ministry and the Council of Governors say tendering process was transparent nga nga obwasioku nigo bwari ngororo ase emerobolionsi yogo kora yogo bekase okwewana ukwo wako chikorwe bintebi uchiko mo atali na nigegatanga President William Ruto yesterday maintained that counties were not forced to sign onto a multi-billion shilling medical equipment scheme even as the identity of 7 companies contracted to supply the kits remain across between the state the ministry and a few county officials. The project has mimicked the biblical Tower of Babel as conflicting voices continue to throw confusion into the finer details that will have allowed for public scrutiny of the contracts that counties will be tied to for at least 7 years. Ngokuiwana okuwani gogochikosiba serikali serikali county ase emiaka 5 nebirere mutwe ase igoro ya okwana na ebintu bikosi equipment ekigo kyase kinyakitali. Iyi ni story ese pechi ya 4 na boige pechi ya 5 ase epechi yo ase story yo again tukwanira amange gatabanga abantu gosikambani echinjira nyaraka bachiko sokiwa nganchirechi and then ase a quote ose enkwana yo muraibwense nige gotabega ko specific there is nobody who forced them to sign any contract. That is the truth. Nobody was forced. You have to be a fool to be forced to sign the wrong thing and you actually sign. Nga ondeta yo nyatu ka bakurasmizo go sign omukataba oyo na igo nga ndebwensi onyatu ka oranya ka baga go sign omukataba tamadinyo bwate oyo niga intachinde go ikobu muntu moliro maiko kalinga ntomneke ngamnekyo nengwana yo murahibwense omosike William Samoei Ruto asepeche yo go tanga state now 500 billion Kenyan shillings diaspora fund to reform Jomo Kenyatta International Airport after Adan exit. Njere buna chingaki ekiombegia Adan gose company Adan yanya kaba gego bwatire onobo kurumi imeyanse ya America nigo murabwense Mosike William Ruto nyatakaba gago tutadale okoigwana okwo gose ogobwatire na gatiyense gatie kiye company ya Adan igoro yoko kondi sigatigia Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kolende kubwatukana amo nayo nigobono serikali ego chikoligia bond ye chishiringi chi bilioni chimisano elinde nyaraka bawe go chitumeka kwa neke buna egetie gige chindege ngo nyaraka bakire ye korosegwa ase oroboti rurole epechi ya 5 nomo nige gotebanga shillings 300 billion will be allocated to the airport plan while shillings 200 billion will go to other major infrastructure projects. Ase gobata kanamo no mwasiri bwa abo mangana yeche koso mwasiri omanne Musalia Mudavadi. This pond will provide secure investment opportunities for Kenyans abroad while diversifying government financing sources. Nga ebondi unigera chikokonya ase erinde chibesnya kabachikotoka chiranya kabachikorosie egetieki ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Nase epechi ya gatano na gatatu ni gatabanga. Divisions emerge over party support for Kenya Kwanza and Ruto's 2027 re-election bid. Yuere epechi ya gatano na gatatu yugo kwandra igoro yoko bagekana kwanya gokorekana se kiama kia ODM kubwatikana kubwa mono amo nechikura chia 2027. Gatabanga division system from conflicting statements by party leader Raila Odinga's troops. Nga ababwata ni bomuske Raila Amolo Odinga ni gaba kungusera chinsemo ao ase kotebakana mna omo likyo mandebu kiamekyo na ndo jole omo Senator Bwe County ya Nairobi omoske Edwin Sifuna agatebanga the reason I did not even attend the President's State of the Nation address is because Ruto cannot be trusted and I don't believe he speaks the truth. Negadalengo kwana igoro yogo taikirana kwaye abosio bwe bunge chinga kiyo muraibense moske Ruto alengurwe kwana ya yogo takakorokia muna ingikeli ense eganataka kora ko State of the Nation address na ase nsemo yae omuraibu abange ase bunge obobake ase bunge Junet Mohamed niganya tuwa kwana let us not be a country of lamentations alone because I have right to say anything I want to say. You can't close my mouth. The mouth is mine and the politics is mine. Inejingaki abange wanyakabaka mwachia igoro yegetambo kereke yo kumwegerera omuraibense amana serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase birengo bigoro mono igo negento kergereire muna nkigego chikonyara kabage kwanikigwa hase amatuko alebosio na boigo ase ensemo yaye moske Junet Mohamed nganya tuka kamendanga if we said we wanted our project and they are being constructed, we wanted electricity and industries and they are being implemented, it means there is nothing to oppose. Uniga ogwane gore yabali bagante komuganinga agendere kwamereria obokoreri bwa serikali inse yo murai wense omoske William Ruto na boiga sepechi ya omwelio nigagotabanga Christmas bounty for public universities, lecturers and workers. Kabakoli mirimo Wech University na boigo nji lecturer nigo banyariko bakanyore Christmas kema pema magega ya serikali boje kubwatoka chibesa gochia sebale chibesa katangante money to be paid to dons and other workers is 4.3 billion out of the 9.7 billion deal that ended the month long strike. Ngamaga ye strike yabo koera nigo bona bagochikonyora enibo ere chibilioni isato chibilioni nye chinuguta isato na ase korwa ase chibilioni chirikienda chibanya kaba koigwana aligo tudrare omugiro wemeremu oyibanya riteko ba bagokora ase keke gosamatuka makaitire ase watanga salary for a professor will rise between 224,000 and 300. na boigo ase epechi ya magiga ntobwate ese bagenda gukwanira igoro ya obocholi bwobotenderi bw'omupira bw'engoyo gose football iga Kenya ase bali bagenda kuligia ekiruga ekyo na bono omo yo manyigaza na Hussein Mohamed nigo anyarte koba gosanyarte koba komochora omwaki ngoyo giata omokoro Magirone Mariga mno bibago chipwatara nera asokoligia oborai bwekiame ekyo asenza ya Hussein niga gotabanga emichi gosore cia mashinani na chi agochikwali bagalia bene ase oborai bwaye asikabanga onyara kabaga konyora baga liokora ekiombe ekyo gia Kenya Football Federation ase obocholi bochikokoleka amatuko amake alebosio na ase bali bakochikoligi bakoligie keroge ekyo nigo bali babwatani ao ase omo Football Kenya Federation Presidential Candidate Doris Petra bagochikoba bakobwatana namo na omo raibwe kiombe ekyo oyo gosoka omaiketebuna Niki Mwendwa na se bagenda kurwanira ekiroge ekyo ase chinjira chintindikigima na nansamo ya nation ase chigosoli echichereri baga ase chinsemo chie agosase gazeti ya nation abo igonto bwate gazeti ya Taifa Leo ijue gotebanga kifo cha korolea wagonjwa macho baada ya tofuti ya kuidhinisha huduma za upasuaji kukosa kufanya kazi aiga nige gukwanira igoro ya oburuire wegotenga ugonjwa wa SHIF Social Health Insurance Fund korengane gasiti igo kiombekyo nigo kirwarite garukia kanyene na ase gasiti bado nige kwantenga urafiki wa Ruto na Raila unavyopasua ODM katikati kubakana kwa yantakana kiwase kiama gia ODM kubatakana amono bosani amono kubatana na gati yomuraibwense William Ruto amo naye nere Raila Odinga ase story yugoro ya SHIF Social Health Insurance Fund baada ya wagonjwa wanaohitaji upasuaji wa lazimika baadhi ya wagonjwa wanaohitaji upasuaji wa lazimika kulipa pesa taslim licha ya kuwa wanachama wa bima ya SHA huku wengine wakiambiwa kujaribu baadaye mtandao wa SHA ukirekebishwa ngobanya abarwire mbale banyataka bakwira nigwa akorwa se nyagitari buna nigo emashini yatariko kore miremo na igo bairane magega gose chinga kichiko chire mutwe agere mashini yatoke ataka kore miremo gabange babo konyara ko bakotoka ngababekirwe ase akon nande ase chinsemechyo nigigase boigo kukwana nga somo la uzalendo liko nchiani watoto kufunzwa kupenda nchi yao iwapo mswada wa Karoli Omondi utapitishwa. Omo jumbe Karoli Omondi nigo abegete omuswada imeye bunge bugani aboroki bakonyaraka bakumanyigwa nagosomegwa igoro yogwancha ense yabo gose koba abasarendo iyo negento kikwanire ase epechi ya kalenga epechi ya kabere na ase epechi ya gatatu no ikwandete igoro ya ukuruba wa Raila na Ruto kufuruga ODM na boigo ase epechi ne kwandete igoro ya okoliki wa ekiombe kiaye omugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Omusike Johnson Sakaja atagotabanga nigo serikali erobereti gosera basoko chikotugoterale okolikwa wa Johnson and Sakaja Foundation rafu asebechi ya kabire bado ne kwandenga Ruto akamia magavana kwa uongo kuhusu vifaa vya tiba ngoba mwachiria bagavana haso kungainireli ase bechi ya kane kaunti 10 safeli kutenga fedha sa kuendesha miradi jineji gaseti chi ase bwana ke Naroko, Siaya, Garissa na Kirinyaga saongoza kwa kutumia hela kwa miradi ya maendeleo. Ese kati kaunti chiri chinya to kabaji kutumika chiba sababu ya sama gendero ne kaunti emanyika ne kaunti ya Naroko ekorawa amo nomo governor Patrick Ole Ntutu kaunti ya Siaya ekorawa amo nomo governor James Orengo kaunti ya Garissa kaunti ya Kirinyaga ekorawa amo nomo governor Omuswati Anne Waiguru na abande asijinse mecho na ese beche yu ya kanene ukwana nga aliyesingiziwa unachisi na binti zake Uhuru baada ya miaka 17 noli gotebeka namna nigo angachetunga o nyali kaba gakumwingira umwana wae kulende niganyatuka bagosiburuka magayo kabera chari miaka 15 nebere ni gazeti ya Taifa Leo na nigeboliti nga ase ebechi ya gatano limo egoteba nga abantu bonsi baba abasarendo gose babe aikiorokali ke guchisaba esa abakenya bonsi guchisa abantu na ase ebechi ya gatano goteba nga Amnesty yashtumu Israeli kwa mauaji ya laiki Gaza ekiombeka nege serikali niko kianyamo chiri ensi ya Israeli ase oboiti boli wanyakoboka nikibwa kubwa mono ase chinsemo chia Gaza ime ya Palestina ase chisegi chia beirege kegetambe gati yense ya Israel naboigo ense ya naboigo abangi bamanyikate muna Hamas abo babwate obumenye bwa bwasi nsemo chia Gaza asorobotiga inyoro muna niko boigo chisegi chikendo tukuzana ko yandate gati yense ya Israel amo nabangi kurwa chinsemo chia Lebanon bamanyikate muna Hezbollah ase kumusana naboigo kwanya kababo ko yanakigwa asinsemechyo na boigo peche hiyo ya gatano gatoni yagotenga baada ya mwafaka Lebanon sasa tuwasubiri Gaza abangeni wabwata kosemelinga chinga kiko na watokire katiense ya Israeli na boigo ense ya Lebanon ko bwamone kiombekeli Hezbollah bono niko baganyetenga chinsemo chie Gaza ko bwamone kubwata nagati gosoko igwana bogotimoke gogotena ni chisegi katiense ya Israeli amo nabangi kurwa sensemo ya Gaza abamagada na Hamas bona kuganyerere na koroko gosengo chikole konyora amatunda yine gazeti ya Taifa Leo igendete gukwanira amange ase chinsemecho na ayuonsi nigagente kwa gwalibaga ase chinsemecho ni gazeti ya Magega nero na be kwanirtenga hage mugoso engo ya nyatuka bagane kiboli tukuria moisonde gatiege moisonde botuko gatiye timu ya Arsenal na boigo timu ya Shabana ase agatanga shetani azabo makovi Emirates inabo kuandetajwa. Rais mpya wa FKF kutangazwa kesho 7 wajitoza katika kinyang'anyiro hiko. Takriban wajumbe 92 wa kaunti watashiriki zoezi la kuchagua vinara wapya wa ofisi za shirikisho la soka. Football Kenya Federation achikuraji wa kolitukolia angio ase abarai bali baranyala kuchikoba bakoirali bagalia ni kimwenda ne timu yae baranyaka bagwa kiruchikura egatia bali bakolige kirogekyo no Hussein Mohamed muna omo president wekiombe kya FKF Football Kenya Federation bagobwatara na amo yo okorokunga McDonald Mariga oyo ogagosoraidi ense ogasoraidi timu ya Inter Milan nande oyure omu Africa wose omu Kenya bweko omu Kenya mutangani kubwa gikombe kamanyikete muna Champions League na ese bechi ya 15 na gatego tenga shamra chichini Mombasa michezo ya yala ikingoa nanga na chigosoro cha East African Community gochaka chide na igoniga nse ikote kaunti ya Mombasa egendete ku yaligani kigima ase chigosoro yecho na ase boigo omo speaker wetangura abiga checking club ya Nzoia Sugar kwa shilingi milioni 2 na omo nogaribu bunge nene omo sikemozi watangura nigo anyalika bagagosira oko gagosira club ky'umupira gose timu y'umupira yengoyo emagata mna Nzoia Sugar asokorwa gosona kubwato ka shilingi milioni 2 wochia ase timu eyo mujumuligali ayo negatiali aidali baga ase chiga seti ayo to gendete koligera gostwanya ka bato koligeralia na kero to kochikonyora libaga tunyara ka bato kogenda koligeralia mange side golende kukonyoria tu ase kekere mutwe gochinde kwaregania babwatani korwa ase gose ababwatani bali bare ase okurwania chisegi chiegenga imeye studio tunyara kaba to kwanira amangana igoro ya gender based violence ejo chisegi chigendete comment ka saidi ne chisegi bogo chokorwania chisegi chigenga na chiro chinigo chigente comment ka igo mukia nigo bekire kigima asichinsemo awo kwandike muna chisegi chigenga koso gender based violence ngo kyani gwachire na magega ya chinyarika banga chiasirigwe kigima elinde abantu banyarika bakomenya no morembe na kubwatakana na yumanchumo ligerali ngo chigotwara ime ye studio Nancy Makori oyole omusapu county health coordinator chinsemo chiabo basi anabo igo Frangi Kibagendi oyole otentamero belio ase ekiombegia Intersex Kenya Education Advocacy tonyara kwa toko kwanira topic ya nene tojo kwana ngenga ki the unnecessary surgeries on intersex people gose okomanwa koligo tanchiri gose gotali kwengenjo ase abantu bali bamekate na intersex abamba chikonyara kababa gotokonya ko bwamano koligera linga karato kwana yore intersex ningi toko kwanira abu nase egeke kere motwe omwanjwa omo ligerali nabo igo karato gendete koligerelia ase chinsemo ali agendete ko enekiwa na ali akagere gochi ko enekiwa nigoli tukuligoro omo senator omo chore bwe county ya Kisii gosomo senator Obene omo Sibati Esio Kenyuri anyataka ba gako ikia chi gago ikia gosege tukamateka notes of motion se anyataka ikia ekerangerali yokumanya senatinga na chi ko ikia motion senate gose senate enyalaka bage kwanjira na oroboti korwa se select committee on health on the county oversight and networking engagement to Taita Taveta, Mombasa and Kwale counties ase agogani committee enyalaka bage kwanjira na gose senate enyalaka bage kwanjira na oroboti oruro korwa ase committee health igoro ya county oversight and networking engagement to Taita Taveta, Mombasa na Kwale counties yabu neli tukuligoro waigo nigo amonchirolia gante kone kiwa ase chinsemo chia erthi ase omo wasiri wasomo kwa jubo muraibu ensomo ske Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki agotenga quality and affordable health care is the foundation for a dynamic, prosperous and productive country rather. The government is deliberate and unequivocal in its prioritization of health reforms and interventions to address and increase accessibility, affordability and affordability of health services to all its citizens. Ene ngwana yaye omo konyi bumuraiwense moske Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki igoro ya monchirali aliagante konekiwa wose akagere gochikogendera konekiwa ase chinsemo gose sector ya obo chenu mochumo rigeri tokano mutimo komo kego tokoira nato naraka batokenda na mange hime yetwani ya getembe njeni konguru kwaro ni toto nyaingiri.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology yine skuru enene ejukuru maigilio yebirengo ao asekeliagia artisan certificate na diplomasi kosi ao mkuigilia bali chikosi buna dressing gose korosia na kumina chitukia beauty therapy yubwate kaine ogo chabira chinyenche ni chintere na kubika obulembo asomobere mbabwate electrical installation gose wiring wasomorkiwa akuigika na korosia omulero nebintu binde buna chi radio ne chi TV gose electronics ime ya Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology mkwegeli abali boigo ekosi ya information and communication technology yumorokiwa aganirgo twara edi plane ase certificate aboigo AC minus ase diploma chikosi chindengamona secretarial studies journalism and mass communication fashion design and dressmaking social work and community development tour guiding management plumbing and pipe fitting, computer packages, cake making, music production, nechinde chinyinge. Minyoka, nigoba kutoka asamagacho Twin Towers, lirongolia gatano na gatatu ime yomo chobosongo. Tueba, babwate inteka ya kera omotenyi, asechi kosi chinke chia short courses, na boigo chiria chia technical. Asamange, bakere ase enamba, enoti isano na ibere, isano na isato inye, isano nemo, isato nemo, kianda isato. Gose, enoti isano na ibere, enoti isano na ibere, isato emo, inye ibere. Kisi Impact Institute of Science and Technology, omogoko bwechisemi.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Na batebi na mbasire kitoronigizi ego kanza mochimu gembo nsa stage yechi bigi nsa ajenye kotate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onye kotate ufa chisi mimbu yeto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitoba sito bwanga ko kungaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetiri ko tumia nyomba kwa raza ko duniani ebetiri ko keri gari yao majiji betiri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurgwe ga sikuka ko tura turiji meno ga ko bugima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange jonzibi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chispika amone chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chiria chigali chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics bionse pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge ekeroteri kweba chi solar panels tarere imeyomo chibu gembo stage gorigoro oseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385
aiga no numbers aba customer baito bonse asemole na baliganiri kerege nto tobwate na netobwate bintu bich quality chigoro chingia kabisa
chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo ke nyumba
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kerege nto aserigori lyo mubuko o Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Tetracom Uniform Center neduka ekone uniform chichingencho au buna echichi skuro echenya gitare echubole ndigo se security echichi gosori echichi kwaya chire echichi kamban go se corporate uniforms tibweba imeya Tetracom Uniform Center boigo ngokorabale embroidery aseboigo bagokora printing na branding yechi t-shirt ninki oganyete minyoka bwango gwikumbulire e uniform aserigolire inse asamange batalere asamagacho a Imperial ensemo ya Nyaro maiga ya Kisimata guse ubakire esimi ase enamba 0726453418 guse 0737081605 Tetracom Uniform Center eduka ase uniform chingia.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge buno tukwa omoyo inyagitari ya Walfit Health Centers neroli chibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. No burere bwasumbuira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki burere bwe sukari bo somo bero goime. Hypertension no burere kera manyinga ko genda ibure somo be. Walfit itosomete chinchereza to jokorwa lya marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngende nga conventional medicine, yani ubonyagitari obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngende nga nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano, we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Vigo tumeka eso kurwari ya marwaire. Nchidende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akuruese mete tuarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega igamarikiti marigiti guys wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Yes. Damu ya Yes. Usafi.
New Life Praise Center Church Kisii chini ya mtumishi wa Mungu Pastor Gila inakutangazia ibada kubwa ya meza ya Bwana.
Disemba tuko na ibada ya meza ya Bwana hapa. Kuanza tarehe 4 tumeanza ibada ya meza ya Bwana. Kwa hivyo ninaalika walioko Kisumu, Omabei, Nyamira, Keroka, Mbita, Nairobi tukutane hapa.
Baraka za kufunga mwaka 2024, kupokea nyota, uponyaji, unabii pamoja na kufunguliwa kabisa.
Haukuwa natembea?
Sikukuwa natembea ukweli.
Na leo
nimetembea.
Twende.
Ibada hii itafanyika kuanzia tarehe 4 hadi tarehe 15 mwezi wa 12 mwaka 2024. Tunapatikana maeneo ya Kisii, Mosocho, Matieko. Msaada wako unatoka juu kwa Bwana. Njoo ukitarajia muujiza wako. Kwa mawasiliano piga simu 0725628724. Watu wa mataifa yote mnakaribishwa.
Ni wewe
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. St. Francis Menyinkwa Primary School na Junior School ni skuru yekerero iyogo koribu ya ase County cha Kisii na Nyamira. Skuru yenige kurwa boarding facility kura kirasi inye goika grade kelia gya gatano na limo na boigo kura grade 7 goika grade gya kenda. Ningebwate ase amazingira mayama n'abagosomera kurira mache ayare amakeneno kuna yaramaya ayuare ase skuru mi bwate ebirasi byekerero nankurero bosombi kurwa nagoika eskuro babwate chi computer laboratory nabo igomba bwate chi iPad asabana balia bakwegera amasomo yekerero babwate science laboratory ebote bintu byonsi abwasabana ba junior secondary bakwegera babwate geti asabana bagutinira chi admission ko chakera preschool grade 1 weka grade 6 nigo egendrete na Junior Secondary.
Welcome to St. Francis Menyinkwa Primary School and Junior School. Tata ya Bible baitu buna twasiekiro mwaka oyo o 2024. Twetarisete kabisa 2025. Korisibu abana baino togendera ko baachi semjirisi bwenerete. Fee structure yetu torikonye change for the next 3 years. Erinde tokecha saba Bible baitu okobayo bokongo bwa economy. Nantu taariste school etene registered under junior secondary school na kirege ntontoro bwate geisaini na bali bata to join karibu sana mabagana mange to bwate elinto togendera ko baoroki na ko bachi semchiri sibabwana tembia mono sana tenya saba sisi
asamange bakere simiasi namba 0729 044272 gosem 0715 372254 skurega nigera para ya Kisii Kilgoris ensemo ya Menyinkwa. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Dental Clinic nenya gitalia kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkokwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalia nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbambwate sema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabo ngo nando bwikirano wigo ngokora bale